Hi, in this video we will show you how to request for your official transcript from SOLUS Student Center. Please note that we will be using the development environment of SOLUS Student Center for demonstration purposes. Shown on this screen is the home page of SOLUS Student Center. Here, we're going to select the tile called Academic Records. The left-hand navigation menu contains links to components within the Academic Records tile of SOLUS Student Center. To request for your official transcript, select Official Transcript Request from the menu on the left side. This will direct you to the Request Official Transcript page. First, we're going to select a processing option for your transcript. If you select the drop-down that says Select Option, you can see the three options that are available to you. If you would like to receive the official transcript after your degree is conferred, select option Degree Confer Date. If you would like to receive the official transcript after your grades are posted, select option Grade Posting. If you would like to receive the official transcript immediately with the currently available grades, select option Immediate Processing. For this example, let's select Immediate Processing. Next, in the quantity text field below, enter how many copies of the transcript you require. For this example, let's go with 1 copy. Next, we're going to select the delivery method. If you would like to receive your transcript via the post, select Mail. Or, if you would like it delivered via a courier, select Courier. Please note that if you select either of these two options, you will be prompted to enter the recipient's address information below. Please make sure to enter the address information correctly to avoid any delivery issues or delays. For this example, let's select the Pickup option, where you can pick the transcript up in person on campus. Once you confirm that all the information entered is correct, select Review Request button at the top right side of the screen. Once again, check if all information shown on the screen is correct. As you can see, your payment total will be displayed on the screen. Once you confirm everything is correct, select the Process Request button. This will direct you to the Secure Payment Gateway. Here, enter your payment details. Next, under Verification, select the checkbox next to I'm not a robot for CAPTCHA verification purposes. Review all the information entered on page, and once you confirm everything entered is correct, select Pay with your credit card button at the bottom of the screen. Please note that it will take some time for this transaction to process, so be patient and do not close the page while it is loading. Successful transaction processing will direct you to the transaction confirmation page. A copy of this receipt will also be sent to the email address provided in the previous step. Next, select Continue to go back to SOLUS Student Center. Here, we can see that your payment has been accepted. Next, select Request Another or Exit Request button at the top left side of the screen. This will once again direct you to the Academic Records tile of SOLUS Student Center. To view your transcript requests, select View Official Transcript Request from the menu on the left side. Here you will see a summary of all the transcript requests you have made and their order dates.